In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert the currency numbers to words in Microsoft Excel. Here, for example, I am going to convert the numbers to US dollar and cents. But you can easily change this function for your own currency by following few simple steps. First of all, let's see how to convert these numbers to US dollar and cents format. To do this, we need to first create a custom function in Excel. To create the function, we should have a VBA script. Here I have the script in Notepad document. This script you can get from the video description below. Let's start with the process. First, select the whole script, then copy it. Now, go to Excel, click on Developer tab. Click on Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on Insert tab. Then, Module. Now, here paste the copied code. Now close the VBA window. Now, here in the cell, press equals, then type spell. Here you see a function, spell USD. Double-click on function. Click on the cell where you have number. Close the parentheses and press enter. The number is converted to words successfully. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Now, let's look into how to modify this code for your own currency. Because if you belong to a different country, your currency name is different. For example, let's change this code to Indian currency format. The unit name of Indian currency is rupee and subunit name is paise. For this, use the Replace tool in the Notepad. Here we need total 3 replacements. First is the function name, second is the currency unit name, and third is currency subunit name. Click on Edit tab, then click on Replace. In the Find What, type spell USD. In the Replace With, type spell INR. Click on Replace All. Again, type US dollar and Find What. Type rupee and Replace With. Click on Replace All button. Again, type cents in Find What. Type paise and Replace With. Click on Replace All button. Now, code is ready for Indian currency. Let's copy this. Now paste it in VBA module. Now here you will see a new function, spell INR. This converts your numbers to Indian currency format. Now, you have one very important step remaining. That is, to save this file as macro-enabled Excel file. For this, click on File tab. Click on Save As. In the file type, choose Excel macro-enabled file type. Choose the location to save your file. Then click on Save. Now here in Desktop, I have a macro-enabled file. Open this file and use this function anytime in future. So, this is how we make a function in Excel to convert currency numbers to words format. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, request you to subscribe this channel. See you in next tutorial.